Greetings, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Trip Tactics, the go to destination for all things travel. Today, we are diving into the digital realm to explore a game changing app for navigating the vast landscapes of the United States. Join us as we unravel the magic of What3words, an innovative tool reshaping the way we share and discover locations. Let's get into the review. What3words is not your typical navigation app. It has revolutionized location sharing by dividing the entire world into a grid of 3mx 3m squares, each identified by a unique combination of three words. Gone are the Gone are the days of complex latitude and longitude coordinates. With What3words, pinpointing your location is as simple as three words. Some key features we are discuss now. Number 1, precision in three words. Say goodbye to vague directions. With What3words, every spot on the planet has a precise three-word address. Whether you are exploring the iconic landscapes of the Grand Canyon or wandering through the bustling streets of New York City, you can accurately share and navigate to any location with ease. Number 2, offline functionality. One of the standout features of What3words is its offline functionality. No need to worry about connectivity issues while venturing off the grid. Simply download the necessary maps in advance, and you can still navigate, share, and discover location even in remote areas. Number 3, simplifying meetups. Planning to meet friends at a vast music festival, national park, or a busy city square? What3words makes meeting up a breeze. Share your three-word location, and your friends can navigate directly to your precise spot, eliminating the frustration of wandering around trying to find each other. Number 4, emergency situations. In times of emergencies, every second counts. What3words has been embraced by emergency service worldwide, providing a quick and accurate way to communicate exact locations. It's a tool that can make a significant difference when time is of the essence. Some use cases for travelers. Number 1, discovering hidden gems. Use What3words to uncover hidden gems that might not be on traditional maps. Whether it's a scheduled viewpoint, a tranquil bridge, or an off the beaten path eatery, What3words helps you explore beyond the obvious. Number 2, road trips made simple. For road trippers, What3words is a game changer. Easily share the location of the picturesque rest stop, the trailhead for a scenic hike, or the ideal camping spot with your travel companies. Number 3, enhancing photography adventures. Photographers, this one's for you. What3words allows you to precisely share or discover those Instagram worthy spots, ensuring you never miss capturing the essence of a stunning location. In conclusion, What3words is a must-have app for any traveler exploring the vast landscape of United States and beyond. Its simplicity, precision, and offline functionality make it an indispensable tool for sharing and discovering locations, adding a new layer of convenience to our journeys. And there you have it, our deep dive into the What3words app. Have you used What3words before? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit subscribe for more travel app reviews and insights here on Trip Tactics. Until next time, travel smart, explore with precision, and may your adventures be filled with three word wonders. Thank you guys. See you in next video.